Salmon Bay students, hello! My name is Miss Chambers. I'm the Ballard High School librarian. I am so excited to talk to you today. Today, we're going to be watching a short video clip. And so if you are going to Ballard High School, you'll watch a different video. If you are going to any other high school, you're going to start here. And if you're a 7th grader and you're spending one more year at Salmon Bay, then you are still going to watch this video and you can still do this work together. Okay? So let's begin. All right, Salmon Bay, let's go. And you'll notice that I'm on a website right now. I'm on seattleschools.org. Okay? Everyone should be here. seattleschools.org. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to select a school. Okay? If you are going to Ballard High School, you could go to Ballard right here. If you are staying at Salmon Bay, you're going to K8, and you'll go right over here to Salmon Bay. Regardless of what you choose, regardless of what school you're going to, whether it's a different high school or you're staying at Salmon Bay for another year, you are going to go to that school's website. Okay, let's do it now. Yay, here we are. Okay, now once you're under whatever website you're on, whatever school you're going to, you're going to go down to academics. And then when you scroll down to academics, there's the library. Crowd goes wild. So you're going to click on the library. Regardless of what high school you're going to, or if you're staying at Salmon Bay, you go to academics and then library. Click on that now. Here we go, folks. We are right here with Mr. Gallup if you are at Salmon Bay for another year. And this is where you can learn more about the library. What is really fun is that no matter what school you're going to, there's going to be an online catalog. So see where it says online catalog? Click on that. That online catalog takes you, and it may already be here, or you may have to say Washington State, Salmon Bay. You know what state you're in. Washington State, Ballard High School. Washington State, Nathan Hale. Doesn't matter. You can pick whatever school you're going to and go to their catalog. We're going in, folks, and here it is. Here's Mr. Gallup's catalog, so you can see all the amazing titles that you have available to you. Woo! Amulet's hot. Okay. All right. Now, here's what's also wonderful. If you right now are not seeing this page, you'll go up to the left and you'll see these 3 lines. And whenever you see those 3 lines, you can always hit Destiny Discover, and that will take you back to this page. If you're currently on back office, you always want to hit Destiny Discover and go to this page, okay? So, Salmon Bay, I'm so excited to see what you find. If you're going to Ballard High School, I can't wait to meet you. We're going to be together this summer. So it's going to be July 22nd and August 19th from 12 to 2. We're going to be having summer hours. For everybody else, please go to your library websites and find out when your summer hours are going to be, if they're going to be holding any events, if there's anything exciting that is happening this summer you don't want to miss, okay? All right, take care, Salmon Bay, and let me know if you need any help with anything. I'm at T.S. Chambers at seattleschools.org. My name is Tuesday Chambers. I'm the Ballard High School librarian. And once again, T.S. Chambers at seattleschools.org.